Hi, welcome to Harisystems. In this session, we will see how to add view in our web app project. This is the framework, Django framework we are using here with the Python IDE. Please subscribe for complete updates of Harisystems and comment, like, share for more descriptive videos. Now we'll see here in this session, I would like to introduce how to, till now we'll see that admin panel and all the things. If we need one more page, we need to add. It's like a view and one more outline of the view. The page, web page may have many of the views, in the sense many of the pages. It's nothing but we need to add one more page and two more pages and many more. If we know how to add one more page, based on that we can add any number of pages. I hope you better understand. You'll see that step by step with the from the scratch. I will give you the clear explanation with it. First of all, I will go here that view. Earlier what we have seen that, see, this is the view. This is the welcome page of the music app. We have seen that. We'll test here that if I enter that, this is the welcome page of music app. See, this is the welcome page of music app. It's a index we have defined over here, and a response simply we have given a text. It's redirecting that page. On URLs also we have written this path only. Okay, now let's see. I want to display a second page. I'll tell you that if I select a particular movie, under the movie there is enough songs. I want to see what are the list of the songs in another page. See how it will goes that I'm adding. This is the another page redirection, definition of detail, request, movie ID. Based on the movie ID, that particular movie, I want to show that movie items of the songs. And here the movie details for movie ID songs, I can say that. Okay, and string and movie ID I have taken here, and I am printing a simply which movie ID we have entering into the URL. Based on that ID, it will be represent the simple, will redirect into the another view. Okay, this detail we need to give in a URL pattern where the request is coming from the browser. It will be route to that particular detail. See how it is simply the url.py. Here it is there under the music url.py, that file. Open it. Earlier we didn't disturb anything. This is the music only. I have given the comment. This is the based on that this redirecting music along with the ID. See, now see here, this is the regular expression. All you know that expressions of the validations of the particular thing in programming language. If you don't know, you better to know from the beginning itself. This I am giving you a base idea about the how to work validations. If you know that validations and all, well and good, pretty much good. If you don't know, and if you are the starter of the programming language, you'll see how the validation. If I am giving the music ID and we are taking as a numeric ID, auto increment ID, in the sense it comes 1 2 3 4, it's many more, it continues of the sequence plus 1. Now here see that my music ID, it might be, if it is under 20, or it may be 2, or it may be 22. It's a number I am giving. It's a coming with that, it's a 0 to 9 only. Any of the number, if it is occurs, it comes under 0 to 9. And or escape character and question mark P, it's a pattern of movie ID. I am telling that is ID I am taking as a parameter. 0 to 9 is the number, that particular ID which is coming from the browser or request, that would be the, it comes under 0 to 9. If it is a not 0 to 9, in the sense if it is a 1A 1B, it won't take it. it straight away it will represent that 404 error. For that also we need to catch it, and we have to show him in a proper display. We'll see in upcoming videos. And now it's see, if we are enter 20 or 22 or 0 and the numeric number itself, it will accept. Okay, this is the pattern. You better to use if any of the numeric characters or telephone number or phone number or numeric digit where it is occurs, you can validate by using this string as well. And comma, here the same thing, views dot index name equal to index. This here views dot detail, this you have to strongly observe it. Under views we have a specified definition of the function of detail with 2 parameters. That detail parameter, that function I am calling here, that URL routing here. One, the URL page it's receiving a request, it routing from here views under the views dot detail. This is the detail. Okay, and the name equal to, it's call it as detail. See here, this is the name I am telling that. If it is an index, it's a index, I am redirecting views dot index name equal to index. Similarly views dot detail and then the detail. In between here we have added much pretty validation of that particular ID. That much of simple. Now see how it is. The music, as we know that page is come here, it will come. Okay, the music it's came here. If the music ID, if it is a 1, see, have you observed that earlier page different is the details page of movie ID song 1, it's a redirected routed. If it is 2 is printed. In the sense the page is redirecting to that view. 22 with the validations 2. Have you identified? If I entered without a numeric, in the sense I have added alphabet, in the sense it's not taking, it's a redirecting to 404, in the sense page not found error. If it is in a numeric, it will redirect to that. Such a similar way you have to redirect the page where you want to require of the view. And here I'll tell you a small extension of this. I am taking in a copy of this and taking here and a paste here, and again I am entering some of the other page. It may be contact, I can enter over here contact, and some ID I have given the contact, and that is contact ID and the contact, the things I have added over there, and I am validating that page and redirecting URL I have created for the redirection, and I am entered here that redirection as URL, it will comes to the contact page. Like similarly you can add n number of pages as based on your requirements and the redirections URLs with that. That's all. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you better understand. Please subscribe, like, share and comment of any of views regarding this. Thank you for watching. Thank you.